Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine. Today we are going to Statue of Unity. So let's start our video. Wow, Ma Narmada water is very clean. I am in Ekta Cruise. So friends, you can see Statue of Unity. Height of Statue of Unity is 182 meter. Wow, Statue of Unity. Beautiful. Friends, I hope you like this video. Please go Gujarat and visit Statue of Unity. Thank you. Bye bye.